Want to get more done without extra hassle? You'll need some cool tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell. With just a push of a button, you can bend a metal bar to the exact shape you need. Get ready to be amazed by this incredible flashlight that cuts through any darkness. Wave goodbye to action cameras with fussy mounting kits. Here comes the perfect flexible solution. You won't need anyone else to install shelves ever again. Take a look at this must-have gadget that instantly gets rid of extra foam. With just a press of a lever, this tool makes it a breeze to get flawless cuts in pavers and bricks. See, these inspection drones handle crucial jobs, keeping people away from risky environments. Print on the go like a pro with this handheld printer. If there were awards for packaging quality, this machine would surely break records. See the incredible before and after results of this polishing tool? Prepare to be amazed. Check out the Jack Speed King, the ultimate speedster. Don't you just love having a smart cart that can handle any load, including lifting you up if necessary? This tool slices through glass like it's cutting through butter. Taking out 465 square meters of glued wood isn't a challenge when you've got this mighty floor destroyer. With this clever drill, tackling blind holes is a breeze. It keeps you on track until the job's done perfectly. Say goodbye to worries about transporting fragile items thanks to this revolutionary foam bag dispenser. See this superhero of graffiti removal swoop in and save the day. Guess what? I bet you'd swap your favorite remote-controlled car for one that can also handle lawn mowing duties. Take a look at this powerhouse. This breaker is an absolute beast, effortlessly tearing through concrete. This is how Amazon gets your packages to you lightning fast. Hit that like button if you think this robot should also do your laundry and fold your socks. But believe me, this shower elevates the wow factor to unprecedented levels. For those who like having lots of choices with their faucet, this is a definite must-have. Take a look at this mighty gadget for keeping moss at bay. Believe it or not, this machine makes drywall sanding completely dust-free. It's truly mind-blowing how this special saw flawlessly carves out complex curves and grooves with mesmerizing precision. Hate holding umbrellas? We've got the solution for you. Check out this game-changing innovation. You'll never believe the ingenious way we've repurposed a simple hanger. Bricklayers, here's a game changer for you. Prepare to be impressed. This electric sight operates at triple the speed of a standard one, effortlessly covering a remarkable 3-meter radius. Clearing snow in a flash without lifting a shovel? Count me in, please. I was completely in the dark about the mesmerizing allure of these soil-spreading machines. Give that thumbs up if you've never witnessed trees being cut with such ease. This machine's also a whiz at cutting logs right on the spot in a blink. This amazing burner turns pools from dull to dazzling in a snap. Can we all just agree on how satisfying it is to watch this tire cutter do its thing? The sheer scale of this mechanism must surely make the work a breeze. Honestly, this vacuum lifter is incredible. It practically makes moving anything a piece of cake. Make solar panel cleaning easier with this helpful assistant. Imagine traveling back 80 years and witnessing these shoes being put to the test for durability. Whoever came up with this mechanism for rapidly unloading trucks is a total genius. This saw, powered by an 8-cylinder engine, effortlessly slices through an 80-centimeter log in under 2 seconds. Thanks to the Camaro cleaning robot, the game can get underway right on time. Experience the magic of a cordless drill driver that saves your back. Can you get in this giant? It will lift you as high as a 10-story building. Behold the marvel of this automated wood cutting machine, effortlessly completing what would have taken months of toil and sweat. Let's face it, with a lift like this, installing gypsum board would be a breeze. There's no void that this magical substance can't fill. When it comes to this saw, size is no obstacle.